We transformed this home from this to this.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
In the heart of Nigeria, amidst the bustling world of Baffi furniture, we believe that change begins from within. Today, we embark on a journey to transform not just a house, but a life. As we reveal our heartfelt motto, changing starts within us. Today, we are asking our dedicated staff a single question. If you had a chance to change someone's life in Baffi, who would it be? Little did they know that their answers would pave the way for something extraordinary. Our showrooms and factory were filled with passion as each person cast their vote, unaware of the emotional journey that awaited them. As the votes were counted, one name emerged as the most voted person, and it's time to reveal. Deborah, congratulations. We have decided to transform one part of your house into a dream home.
Wow. Thank you. I appreciate it.
What's your name?
Deborah Samuel.
Okay. So Deborah, what are you doing in Baffi actually?
I'm a cleaner.
So how long have you been working for Baffi?
I started working in Baffi in 2021.
So that's your professional experience. So what about your personal, and can you please share us something about Deborah?
I want to be that person that my father sent me out. I come to hustle, fight for my future, my children, for tomorrow, because the mistake that my parents make, I don't want to do it. But they don't have money, they don't have anything, so I'm be the one to supporting them, to help them.
As we pull up to Deborah's house, the excitement fills up the air. This is the moment that we all have been waiting for. Before we jump into the transformation process, it is essential to take a step back and to truly understand the space we are working with. Okay, now we are heading towards Deborah's house, and as you can see, these are the neighbor houses, and this is one of the room their house. As you can see, it's very hard to step in this room as well. There's a barely we can get any space to step. From the house inspection, we noticed that storage was an issue for Deborah, and it is time to come up with a solution. Now that we have observed the essence of the space, it is time to strategize and plan.
This is going to be a transformation you will not want to miss.
Our talented team are dedicated to make her dream a reality in its diligence process on precise craftsmanship. After clearing out the old furniture, we are ready to start the transformation.
I'm feeling so wonderful,
Are
so
you
good.
excited about the house?
Very well, but I'm so excited to see the house. I can't wait to see the house.
What you are expecting?
Everything. I can't wait to see it. I just can't wait to see it.
Our staff have been working for days, and it is almost time. We are ready to show Deborah what we did to her house. We are at the day progress is made. and the humble house transformed into a breathtaking masterpiece. We are finally ready to share this with Deborah. Now open.
Thank you, Baffi. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This is amazing. Wow, this is beautiful. Thank you, Baffi. Wow. Thank you, Baffi. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
When my husband came back yesterday, so I asked him, okay, yeah, you can come inside. And I said, when you come inside, I said, da da da. He can say, wow, what is this? Like, this is what Baffi do it for. He can say, wow, like seriously. I said, yes. God can say, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you, my wife. I'm so happy. He said, wow, Baffi, they are so wonderful. They are so nice. Even me, I did not know. I was not expecting it. He can say, wow, like seriously, he was so happy.
Join us in this journey of transformation as we continue to make a difference in the lives of those around us. So, Deborah,
Yes, I'm
after looking at your house, how did you find it?
I feel like I'm a baby. I feel like I'm in the heaven right now. I'm not in this earth. Heaven, straight. Not in this place. I feel so wonderful. I feel so amazing. I feel like jumping on the bed right now.
Are you satisfied with the BF project?
Very well, Abe. You see, everything is perfect. Everything is okay by me. Abe, you don't understand how happy I am right now.
I feel like crying.
Baffi Furniture. Changing starts within us.